Hello. I'm not really sure what to say. Today is just like every other day for the last 4 months. Just going like a maniac at full speed, full maximum capacity. Actually, way over maximum capacity. This garbage disposal is on the fritz, and he started pulling it out himself. He got the old one out, and that's where, I don't know what happened, but that's when he called me. And he says, I don't have use of my dishwasher, I don't have use of my sink. Can you please come put this new garbage disposal in? They're both incinerators. It should go right in. But there's got to be a reason it didn't just go right in, because it didn't go back in. Okay, through this door. Hey, doggy! Oh boy, what do we have here? Alrighty, well, not exactly what I was hoping to find, but I can work with it. This is the old one, and apparently this is how this is going to work here. Since we have this really low T here, this is the old one. Gets attached up here. What did he do? Oh Jesus, he ripped the whole thing out. It didn't. So yeah, that's how it's supposed to come out. It's an old thing. Man, look at all this old wiring. Let's get started. Hi. Holy cow. Need the mesh now. Which is wire. This here. So instead of using this one that threaded on the old one, it came with this new one. This new one goes into this little rubber boot here, and there's this clamping ring right here that goes on it, but we'll get to that later. There it is. It appears this here is how the, oh geez, more work, how the whatchamacallit, dishwasher drains. There's no vented loop, no nothing, it's just straight around all this mess, right into the garbage disposal. They come with a plug and this in there, and you have to knock that plug out. And alright, can you guys see in there now? How do I make this work? There you go. Now it's free and clear for water and food parts to go in there. But I usually stick my leg and my knee underneath it and lift with my toe and then turn it to get it started, and yeah, that's how it works. Put your knee right there. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Get in there. Now there's 3 of these, kind of hard to explain, prongs. Hey, I got the old one right here. There's 3 of these prongs. Sometimes you get 2 in, and it'll be floppy. But I think I got lucky on the first try and got all three of these going up the ramps, and now I got to turn this until these lock into a detent. That is it, baby. And see, the last turn to the detent, I take a pair of channel locks.
Oh, channel locks are a brand. You can't call those channel locks.
Yes, I'm calling these channel locks. When I blow my nose on a Kleenex. So yeah, these just pinch, and here you go, all tightened up. Get on in there, come on. There it is. Right there. So one thing I hate about these things is they're always prone to rusting and cracking. And I saw this crack when I first got here, and well, just kind of ignored it. But now I can't ignore it anymore. This will definitely leak if I put this piece back in. It's perfect size, but I've got to spend about 45 minutes. That's how long it takes to drive about 3 miles. Get this and come back in the city. Took approximately an hour to get this piece, and the Home Depot is 1.9 miles away. Thing is, when you pick up on where the homeowner left off, you don't know what to expect, really. How much they had monkeyed with before you got there. I get a drip out of this P-trap. Oh yeah. There very well could be another crack in any of these things. Now that one's a little on the loose side. I've got other rubber rings, but this rubber ring actually looks in decent condition. Oh, where the heck did it go? Maybe it's just loose. No drips out of this side yet. What I'll do is I just run the water to start with to see if there's any little drips that I can see, and then I'll plug up the sinks, fill them up halfway, 3/4, and pull the stopper and let a lot of water pressure and a lot of volume of water flow through here. Filling this all the way up with water will also test if this is watertight. So let's just go in here and look for drips and hope we don't find any. I don't anticipate any. Okay, that's about enough. Hopefully I didn't put hot water in here. Now this is the big test. That's it. No leaks. And I can go to the next job. Well, that job was pretty darn easy. I can understand why your average homeowner would have gotten to that spot and called it quits. The only hiccup I had is that I was not able to reuse that waste arm. And that's one of the things that I calculate in when I gave my price up front. He did leave a check for me on the countertop, and it's over $100 an hour, like $150 an hour to do that. And I gave the price up front. So they knew exactly what they were going to get and exactly what they were paying for. Leave your hate comments down below. Goodbye.